Hello everyone, my name is Tony Brugia, and I want to share with you my little secret coffee that I drink twice a day. Once in the morning and once around 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Okay? This is, to me, I consider this the healthiest cup of coffee, and it's very cheap to make. You're going to be shocked with the ingredients. You can get them anywhere, and it's simple to make. A couple of minutes. Okay? The ingredients are as follows. Nescafe. I use Nescafe instant coffee, but you can use whatever, Maxwell, whatever you decide, but it has to be instant coffee, okay? Then I use cardamom seeds. Okay, you need some cardamom seeds, okay? Next is stevia. If you don't like sugar in there, I don't recommend sugar. Sugar weakens the immune system. Stevia. Stevia is very good for you. It's healthy. But if you don't want to use stevia, just don't put any sugar in there. Okay? And the last but not least is dark chocolate. 85% or more. Okay? I use, this is what it looks like. Okay? Now, all you do is this. Okay? I do this every morning. Okay? I take 1 teaspoon, put it in there. I take 2 seeds. You don't need more than 2 seeds. Okay? There's no need for, just 2 is enough. Put them in there. Okay? I take 3 stevias. This is what I use. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And last is I use dark chocolate. Okay, it comes like this, but you could buy whatever. Just use a small piece. You don't have to. It don't have to be a big piece. Okay? Just like this, small piece. You can use cacao powder, but I prefer this. Okay? Just break it up into little pieces. And that's it. Let the water run. You can use bottled water if you prefer. I use faucet water. Okay. Fill up the cup. I don't add the powder, milk, and all that stuff, instant coffee powder. Don't add that. That's not good for you. I just take some skim milk. Just add a little skim milk to it. Again, you could drink it black, but I use a little skim milk. Okay? And that's it. Stir it. And I put it in the microwave. Two and a half, 3 minutes. Between 2.5 and 3 minutes. I got it on high. And I wait. And let me tell you, what's good about this instant coffee is extremely healthy for you. It's high in antioxidants. You'll be surprised what instant coffee, how good it is. Okay? It strengthens your immune system. It does so much for your body. And I am going to share an article that I will write under this video. But as of right now, I just want you to know, instant coffee is good for you. Okay, it does wonders for you. Don't believe the hype that only the perk coffee. Instant coffee is just as good, if not better. Okay, cardamom strengthens the immune system. It's good for asthma. It fights cancer. It even helps you stop smoking. It does so many. It contains so many minerals, vitamins, and it's incredible. It's incredible. And dark chocolate. Another amazing this is a superfood, dark chocolate. Okay, the longest living person ever used to eat a whole bunch of dark chocolate every day. This woman, she lived to 122 years old. And dark chocolate is also incredible for your body. It does so many things for you. It fights cholesterol, blood pressure, you name it. It helps your heart, your circulation. It does so much for you. But again, don't overdo it. Don't overdo it just because it's good for you. Don't. Everything in moderation. I drink 2 cups a day. Scientists say that you should drink 4 cups to 5 cups a day for best results. But I drink 2 cups. I don't overdo it. Okay? I just want you to know that I live healthy, and this is how I start my morning. And I drink one in the afternoon. And I hope this helps you. And it's the good thing about this coffee, it's very cheap to make. For pennies a day. For pennies, you don't have to buy expensive machines. You don't have to buy expensive per coffee. None of that. This thing coffee. And this bottle, this thing, it costs $5 and it'll even $10. It lasts you for a month, 2 months. You know what I mean? And coffee's ready. And voila. Have a good day. Let me stir it up a little. Nothing better than waking up in the morning. And you know what? The cardamom even makes the coffee smell good. Stir it up a little more. Make sure the chocolate is melted inside. Take a whiff and enjoy the morning. Have a good day, and I hope this video helped. Stay healthy, everyone. It's all about staying healthy. We only have one life. Enjoy. Have a great day. And if you like the content, please subscribe. I'm going to have a lot more coming for you. Promise. Have a great day. Subscribe and like my video. Take care.